You might come across this in your forthcoming exam. Here's exactly how to crack it. So the question is, a wave has an amplitude equal to 4 meters. So we know our amplitude, we'll write out everything. We'll say data. Our amplitude is just 4 meters. Then you also have angular speed to be 1 over 3 pi rad. So angular speed is represented as W equals 1 over 3 pi, and rad per second, supposed to be rad per seconds. We'll take this rad per second. Now, and phase angle, we're also given phase angle here. Our phase, I said, is written like this. Phase is 1 over, phase is actually 2 pi over 3. You have your rad. Now, the displacement y of the given wave is given as, the thing you need to note here is the progressive wave equation, and the progressive wave equation is given as y equals a sine, in bracket, the phase, which is 2 pi x. I'll retake this 2 pi x over lambda minus wt. And so all you need to do here, in order to get the displacement y, we just need to plug in our values. Here is amplitude, so we'll plug it here. We're giving w, we'll plug w here, and we're also giving our phase, which would plug here. So I'll take back those back, and now it becomes y equals a is actually amplitude and is 4. We say 4 sine, open bracket, we've been given our phase to be 2 pi over 3. We'll plug that here, minus the w has been given to be 1 over 3 pi t. And next would simplify everything in the bracket here. So I would like to simplify this separately. And how do we do that? Would simplify it with the knowledge of LCM. So we have common denominators. We have 3 here, we have 3 here, so it's just write as 3. And we say 3 into 3 is 1. You get here to be 2 pi minus 3 into 3 again. This 3 into this 3 will still give us 1. 1 times 1, you still get pi t. You get pi t. So I just simplify this now, and we've got 2 pi minus pi t over 3. So this becomes, I'll say y equals 4 sine, open bracket, 2 pi minus pi t over 3. Now we could minus 2 pi 2 pi from pi. We could minus them, or we could just factorize. So I would rather factorize, and here's how to factorize. Y equals 4 sine. What I'm going to do next is these pi's, I'll bring them out. So 2 minus t will be left inside the bracket. I'll bring the pi out and also the 3. So I'm going to write pi. Sorry, I need to go back to blue. So becomes pi over 3 in bracket 2 minus t, and this will be your final answer. Now I want you to note something. This could also they might give you the answer as y equals 4 pi excluding the sine over 3 open bracket t minus 2. The t comes first before 2. T minus 2. The both answers are correct. If you are given this is correct, if you're also given this is correct. The both answers are actually correct. Would you like to solve similar questions? Click the link in the description box and you'll be redirected to WhatsApp. On the WhatsApp, there are questions that I would give you to try out. You win. Just believe.